Let's be honest. How many times have you told yourself this month is going to be different? You set a budget, you start to feel strong, motivated, and then by week 2, your paycheck is basically gone again. And then you instantly start thinking that you have no discipline, that you must be bad with money. Most people believe that for years. I had to learn this the hard way too. I'd build these budgets that would work perfectly on paper until something unexpected happened. Like unexpectedly getting invited to an event that I didn't plan for. And because it wasn't in the budget, I'd overspend. Then I'd spiral right back in, thinking, see, you can't do this. But that was never really the issue. It assumed predictability, control, identical months, month by month. And that is not how adult life works. So if you stay with me till the end of this video, I'm gonna show you 2 tiny shifts that change this entire cycle. And they're so simple, you can start applying them this week. So here's what most people don't realize. The majority of adults that think they're bad with money actually aren't. They've just been following systems that assume perfection, no surprises. Systems that assume you're a robot. And when the systems collapse, instead of questioning the system, you question yourself. You start believing you are the flaw. And when you internalize that belief, it destroys your confidence, it kills your motivation, and it traps you in the same cycle every month. Here's a couple of red flags. Red flag number 1, your budget only works when nothing unexpected happens. Budget that requires perfection are budgets that fail automatically. If your budget can only succeed in a controlled, predictable month, it was never a realistic budget to begin with. Red flag number 2, your budget is based on someone else's personality type. If you follow a budgeting style that doesn't fit your natural money identity, it's going to always feel like a punishment. You will feel broken when the system was really mismatched from day one. So let's shift you out of failure and into empowerment. Upgrade number 1, build your system to expect the unexpected. Unexpected spending. Instead of trying to eliminate surprise events, assume they will happen. Create a buffer category. Create a flex pocket. That way, when life happens, and it will, you won't break your discipline. You just use that part of the system that was built for that moment. Upgrade number 2, build your system around your dominant money personality. Once you know your primary money identity, you then stop fighting your own pattern. You stop designing systems that require you to be a different person. You start building based on who you truly are. That's when money starts to feel empowering instead of exhausting. So if you're wondering which personality you are, the link is in the description below. Remember, you are not the problem. Your system wasn't built for the real world that you actually live in. Once you fix the system to match your identity and the unpredictability of adult life, money starts to get easier, calmer, and way less stressful. And this is the foundation that will actually allow you to finally move closer to financial independence. Not later, but starting today. Remember, fix the system, not yourself, and watch how fast everything changes. See you in the next one.